So you've all learned about conservation of energy. This is one of the most fundamental laws of physics. So let's see if you really trust it. I have here a bowling ball attached to a cable, and I'm going to take it like this and release it. So the question is, what's going to happen next? Here are your choices. It is going to fly away that way and come back and stop way short of my face. It's going to come back and bash me in the nose. It's going to come back but stop really pretty close to my nose. Or finally, it really depends on the fine details of exactly how I release it. Make your choices. Okay, so let's try it. I'm going to take the bowling ball right here. Maybe I should close my eyes so I can't tell what's happening. And then I'm going to release it. See? Conservation of energy works.